You like it?
Not so much.
You like it? No? Feels a little weird? You like it? No? You like spinning out? This is where the real work begins. Bottles are easy. Hmm? No? Yes? No? No?
Eat it? I'm gonna have to feed you guys a bottle on top or something.
Oh, you're just so hungry. You didn't get anything in? He doesn't know how to put it down, does he? Okay, hang on.
Shoes are so fussy.
Oh, she's getting like cold.
Got yucky? Oh, come on, this could stop.
What do you think? You didn't pick that outside. Mm-hmm. Can you swallow? Swallow. Eat it? No? I'll start some bottles.
Very good.
You want on the video too? I decided I was going to nickname you Lug Nut. Because you look like a lug nut. Lug Nut. Hey, Mom, tell Mary to put her foot down.
Put your foot down, Mary. You put your foot down. Put your foot down. Hey. Mary, you put your foot down. Hey. Mary, put your foot down. You turkey.
You're a turkey.
You keep that foot down. You put your foot down. Keep that foot down.